Hi sir, my name is Durgarav. I am from ECA section. My roll number is 20 BQ180431. Today my seminar topic is selection statements. Selection statements. In Python, the selection statements are also known as decision control statements or branching statements. These selection statements allows a program to test several conditions and execute the instructions based on which condition is true. If the condition is true, then execute the instructions of the statements. The keyword if begins the statement following if a logical condition must to be included. A logical condition is a variable or expression. If it is some condition and semicolon. After the if condition, a section of code to run. Section of code, some statements, here some statements. When the condition is true, included a section of code must be indented, here semicolon indented, and every line in this section is indented place. Must be indented the same number of spaces. Here in Python generally there are 4 spaces are 4 spaces are used. If the here some decision control statements are simple if else, nested if else. Now first we learn about simple if. Simple if selection statements. First flowchart. First the cursor comes to condition. If the condition is true, then execute the statements. If the condition is false, then cursor move to another step. Syntax: if condition and the statements. Condition must be statements that evaluates to a Boolean value. Here the condition is true or false. If the condition is true, then the statements will be executed. If the condition is false, then statements will not be executed. For example, to find the grade of a student. Example: find a grade of the student. Input enter a grade of the student. Here enter the grade of the students. If grade is greater than or equal to 60, then print passed. If the grade is less than 60 కంటే తక్కువ ఉందనుకో అప్పుడు ఏమైంది ఫెయిల్డ్ అని ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. ఎల్స్ హియర్ ఎల్స్ semicolon else print failed. Now if else. In if else, first the cursor comes from condition. If the condition is true, then execute the statements and moves to second step. If the condition is false, then execute the statements. If the condition is true, in if else condition is true, then execute the statements. Condition is false, execute the another statements. This is the false statements, this is the true statements, and comes from another. Here syntax is if condition statements. If the condition is true, then execute the statements. If the condition is false, then comes to the cursor else block, and these statements will be executed. Condition true aithe these statements will be executed. Condition is false, then comes from else block and execute these statements. For example, number to find the given number is a even or odd. Here number into input enter any number. If number is percentage 2 is equal to 0, print even. If the number ratio number percentage 2 equal to 0 అయితే even, else it is odd. Now next one, if else. First cursor comes from condition A. If statement condition A. This is if statement, and if the condition A is true, then execute the condition A statements and goes to the final, and these conditions are not executed. If the condition is false, then cursor comes from condition B, elif statement. This is elif statement, and this elif condition B is true, then execute the condition B statements. If the condition B statements is executed, then cursor comes from to the final. And these statements is not executed. This condition is also false. If these conditions also false, then cursor comes from condition C and check this condition, and the condition is true, then execute the conditions, execute the condition of the statements, and this process is done until the final condition. Last elif statement is condition Z. If the condition is true, this condition is true, then execute the condition Z statements. This condition is also fails, then execute the else block of statements. Execute the else block of statements and goes to the final. Okay. Syntax: if condition semicolon statements. If the condition is true, then execute these statements. If condition is false, then cursor comes from elif condition. This condition is check. It checks, and this condition is true, then execute these statements. If the condition is false, then cursor comes from else block. Else block and else block, and execute these statements. And if condition is true, then execute this statement. If condition is false, then elif statements is executed. Okay. Now example, we check the given number is a positive or negative or a 0, and int input enter a number. If the number is greater than 0, n greater than 0, print positive. If n equal to 0, print 0. Else print negative number. Okay, here n greater than 0, then print the positive number. N greater than 0 అయితే పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ అని వస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ n less than 0, then cursor comes from elif, checks n equal to 0, but n less than 0, so else block is executed negative number. For example, n is equal to minus 10. N is equal to minus 10. If n is equal to 10, minus 10, n greater than 0, no. Minus 10 greater than 0, no. So cursor comes from elif. Minus 10 equal to 0, no. Therefore else block will be executed, print negative number. Okay. Now nested if. Nested if means if within a if. It is a if condition, if some condition, semicolon, if condition. That means, and statements. If the condition is true, then execute the if condition. If within a if is called the nested if. Here flowchart, here condition. If the condition is true, then comes to the nested if. And if this nested if is true, then execute the statements and goes to the final. If the condition is false, then if condition is not executed, comes to the else block. Okay. Syntax: if the condition is true, then execute the if condition, and the if condition is also true, then statements will be executed. If the condition is false, then else block statement will be executed. This if condition is a false, then else condition is executed. Okay. Example, find the given number is positive or negative or 0. Here n is equal to input enter a number. Then if n greater than or equal to 0, if n equal to 0, print it is a 0. Print 0. ఒకవేళ if n not equal to 0, then if condition is not true, if condition is false, then else block will be executed, print positive number. If n not greater than or equal to 0, then else block will be executed. Suppose n is equal to minus 3. Here n is equal to minus 3. Here, therefore, if minus 3 greater than or equal to 0, no, this condition is failure, false. So comes to the else block and execute the else block and print the negative number. If n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4, then if n greater than or equal to 0, yes, true. Therefore if condition, if statement, if condition, if 4 equal to 0, no, false. Therefore else block will be executed, print positive number. 4 is a positive number. Okay, thank you sir for the given opportunity.